Maliit lang ang power station na to pero hindi mo pwedeng i-underestimate ang EcoFlow River 3 Max Plus dahil kaya niya paganahin ang 90% ng home appliances mo, especially during brownouts, all because of its 600 watts rated power output. Perfect din siya as a UPS solution. Kaya niyang paandarin ang laptop, Wi-Fi, hard drive, pati na rin cellphone ng sabay-sabay. Pag meron ka nito, hindi ka kakaba-kaba kung aabot ka pa sa deadlines mo at safe na safe pa ang mga files mo. Pagdating sa capacity, it's 858 watt-hour. Sinubukan ko siya with my electric fan, TV, rice cooker, pati na rin nga electric stove. And since it can be charged using a solar panel, mas makakatipid ka rin sa kuryente, lalo kung dito ka lang magka-charge ng mga cellphone and other device for everyday use. Perfect rin for camping dahil bukod sa very compact and portable, kayang-kaya niyang i-charge ang camping gear even your Starlink device. Hindi ka mag-aalala when it comes to power source, lalo kung may kasama kang bata. Oh, by the way, fast charging rin to ha. Kaya ma-full charge itong base unit in just 1 hour. Kapag naman nakakonect yung EB600 smart battery for extra capacity, kaya niya mag-charge in approximately 1.5 hours. So kung may lakad ka, even before you finish preparing, full charge na. Sulit na sulit ang investment mo rito dahil aabot lang naman ng 10 years of everyday use bago pa bumaba ang battery capacity niya to 80%. For the latest price and promos, just tap the product link and follow me for more. God bless.